I have a secret to share. I am so excited. You're not going to want to miss this. Hey, I'm Angela Gasper, a wife, a mom, and a survivor and thriver after toxic mold illness. And you know what? The secret, my energy crashed, but it's back. It's back. There was a time that we traveled to Florida and I could only do the actual drive for about 2 hours. And then I was just done. And my husband had to do all the driving. And slowly my energy has increased and increased and increased through certain protocols that I've done, through certain steps I've taken to improve that energy. And slowly we became able to do a trip to Florida with 4 hours on, 4 hours off. So my husband and I would rotate 4 hours on, 4 hours off. So why do we do that? With my DNA being mold intolerant, we've had a very hard time finding a stopping point midway between Michigan and Florida. And so very oftentimes we've made the stop at a hotel only to soon be transitioning rooms again or feeling like it's okay, but then after a couple of hours I'm totally becoming sick and mold toxic. And so for me it's just hasn't been worth it. I'd rather just make the drive all in one 24 hours section. I know this isn't ideal, like it's not a great idea to be sitting for all that amount of time. And essentially, if you're making a 20-hour drive in 24 hours, you only have 4 hours of resting and going for a little walk and bathroom breaks and gas fill-ups and all of that. But that's what's worked for us because of the mold intolerance. So because of that, we do a trip to Florida from Michigan in 24 hours, and my husband and I transition 4 hours on, 4 hours off of driving between the two of us. So my big testimony that I just can't wait to share is this time. So last week we were in Naples, Florida. It was 20-hour drive, and this time I was able to do a lot of the night driving. That's huge. That's a huge improvement on my energy. That it's a huge testimony of my increased energy. That I wasn't done at 7:30. I was actually ready to go after I took like a short nap, maybe an hour long, and then I was ready to get up and go. And so it's so exciting to see proof that my energy is continuing to improve, continuing to grow. Like I literally feel younger now at 47 than I did at 27. So the reason why I'm sharing this is because I don't want you to settle for your energy going backwards. There are steps that you can take, strategic steps that you can take to increase your energy. No matter what you've been told, no matter if you've been told that you're just getting old or you believe you're just getting old, that's a mindset that just needs to be shifted. The Word of God talks about us living to 120. Whether you're in your 40s, your 50s, your 60s, that's not old. So don't accept these diseases or low energy as normal. We can improve it. So with specific strategies, you can improve your energy just like I did. And by the way, I'm kind of getting hungry, and my favorite energy increasing lunch is a protein yogurt bowl. If you want that recipe, let me know. Comment protein below and I'll send it to you because it's absolutely amazing. But strategies for increased energy, improved energy are real. They work. So if you want to learn how to improve your energy, if you want to get started with figuring out a strategy that might work to increase your energy, maybe you're feeling more sluggish. Maybe you feel like you're wading through jello every time you move, or you're walking through thick sand to try to move your legs. These are signs that you need a strategy. And I've got it already made up for you. So comment book below and I will send you my free strategies to get you started. It's loaded full of strategies. I don't want you to be overwhelmed with the amount of strategies. I load it full of strategies so that you can pick what's right for you. Some cost money, some are free, some take time, some are really easy and fast. You decide what's best for you to try and get on that journey of increasing your energy. I have literally moved from being bedbound to being able to work out, being able to do whatever I want to. And you can too. Don't settle for getting to the point where I was of being bedbound. I had to go through all the hard steps of learning this stuff. And so I make it available to you so that you don't have to go through those hard steps. So grab a hold of that. You can get my free recipe for my yummy protein bowl, yogurt bowl, comment protein, or comment book, and I'll send you my free strategies for increasing your energy. Don't stay stuck. Don't live with low energy. You are meant to be vibrant and a light and a witness. You have purpose.